Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using Amazon Pay UPI in Amazon application and if you don't remember your UPI pin, or if you remember your UPI pin but still you want to change your UPI pin to a new one, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. To change UPI pin in Amazon application, you have to open the application first. Once you open the application completely, this is the basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. On the home screen, you have to select Amazon Pay option over here. After that, we are on the next page, and on this page, you will be able to see multiple details around here. So you can check out if you want. But as we want to change UPI pin, all we have to do is we have to scroll this particular part to the left side, and then we will be able to see Amazon Pay UPI option. So you have to select that. Once you do that, we are on the next page, and after coming on next page, you have to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you will be able to see the linked bank account which you have added to Amazon Pay UPI. So you have to keep one thing in mind. For example, as you can see, currently I have Kotak Mahindra Bank, but if you have multiple bank accounts like I have, so if I want to change any UPI of any particular bank account, so if I don't want to change UPI ID or UPI pin of Kotak bank account, I have to change the bank account first, and then I will be able to change the UPI pin. So for example, I'm going to show as I've already added this bank account. If I want to change UPI pin for this particular bank, what I have to do is you have to click on three dots over here. After that, you will get three message or three pop-up options from the bottom. And here you can check out change bank account, change UPI pin, and forgot UPI pin. So if you want to change bank account, you can select change bank account option. If you want to change your UPI pin, now you have two options. For those people who remember their UPI pin, but still they want to change UPI pin, you have to select change UPI pin option. And for the people who don't remember their UPI pin and they want to change to a new pin, you have to select forgot UPI pin option. So first we will take a look at forgot UPI pin. So if you don't remember your UPI pin, you have to select forgot UPI pin option over here. After that, we are on the next page. On this page, you have to enter basic details. You have to enter last 6 digits of your debit card. You have to select month, year, and then you have to click on set your UPI pin. So this process is for the people who don't remember their UPI pin. So you can set your UPI pin by using your card details. So I will quickly enter the details and I will show you. So once you enter the card details, you have to click on set your UPI pin. We are on the next page, and currently you can see it is detecting OTP. And as soon as I receive the message, it has automatically detected the OTP. So it is a very simple step. Now, after entering the OTP, you can see you get an option of setting your UPI pin. So you have to enter new UPI pin over here. Now, whichever pin you enter, make sure you don't forget that in future so that you don't have to do all the steps once again. Whichever UPI pin you enter, keep that in mind. So for example, I'm going to set a UPI pin for now. After entering the UPI pin, all you have to do is you have to click on this tick mark sign over here. Now you can see once again, we got an option of confirm UPI pin. So you have to re-enter your UPI pin, which you have currently entered just now. So after entering the pin once again, you have to click on tick mark sign, and then your new UPI pin will be reset. So this is a simple step. I'm not going to reset my UPI pin because I already know and I've already changed it multiple times. So I hope you have got an idea how you can simply change your UPI pin if you don't remember, and by using your card details, you will be able to reset your UPI pin. Now we will take a look at the next step, which is change UPI pin. So if you remember your UPI pin, but still if you want to change it to a new one, you have to select option of change UPI pin. After doing that, we are on the next page and we get two options, enter UPI pin and set UPI pin. So in enter UPI pin, you have to enter your current UPI pin, which you remember. And in set UPI pin, you have to enter your new UPI pin. So I'm going to do that. So I have entered the details, and once again, you have to click on tick mark sign at the bottom. As soon as you click on tick mark sign, we got next option, which is confirm UPI pin, as we got in the earlier method. So same way, you have to re-enter your new UPI pin over here, and then you have to click on tick mark sign, and your UPI pin will be changed to new one. So these are the basic steps which you have to follow if you want to update or if you want to change your UPI pin in Amazon Pay application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.